Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Mercer County, southeastern Hunterdon County, and northwestern New Jersey, southern Somerset County, northwestern Middlesex County, east central Bucks County, and southeastern Pennsylvania until 9:15 p.m. At 5:17 p.m., Doppler radar indicated a cluster of thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Up to 4 inches is possible. Some locations that will experience flooding include New Brunswick, Somerville, Somerset, North Brunswick, Princeton, Manville, Flemington, Clinton, Bennington, New Hope, Hopewell, Rocky Hill, Stockton, Millstone, Sandbrook, Belmead, Clover Hill, Sargentsville, Kingston, and Kendall Park. Turnaround: don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood depths occur in vehicles. Driving into flood waters could put your life at risk and cost you thousands of dollars in vehicle repairs. Flood waters may be deeper than you think. Turn around and find an alternate route. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Middlesex, and Somerset.